One day a merchant came in the palace of the king. He said, I have 2 diamonds. You have to tell me about the real diamond and the fake diamond. If anyone will tell me about the real diamond, it will be given to him. If he will not find out the real or fake diamond, then same diamond will be given to him back. He said, you have to give me another diamond if you can't find out the real diamond or the fake diamond. Merchant further told that 3 kings didn't find out the real and the fake diamond. So he was the 4th king and he was asking question to him. The king asked from the ministers that who will tell me the difference between real diamond and the fake diamond, but no one answered. A beggar was also present there. He said, my lord, I can find out difference between real and a fake diamond. He said to the merchant, give me these diamonds. He took the diamonds in his hand and placed them in sunlight. After a few minutes, he took them and said that this is real and this is fake. Merchant was surprised and he asked that how did you find it? He said that real diamond is cold and fake diamond is hot. Everyone clapped for the wisdom of the beggar. Wisdom is God gifted, it doesn't belong to the status of anyone.